Do you need help?
I'll take it out.
Yeah, but I mean, can you leave some of this goji, the stem? Ibatim lang tibasit.
They will be happy, honey. This one.
Well, I hope so. Just leave the stem, honey,
I will
please.
leave them all, honey.
No. Just agikabil ka ti
You think
kuan
this
na.
one is alive? They're dead.
Haya, it's not dead, honey.
At tubo ng tumot lang lagi to.
Don't cut all.
What do you think? They will grow up.
Hey, popo.
Oh, you don't know.
Please don't cut this one here. Here, just leave this one. Please.
They will grow fast.
Honey, what you talking about? Grow fast.
They will. Apa pa nga mo at tubo na gitu mas ada dito tubo na numakat.
Yeah, but
Why you don't know, honey?
are you gonna remove them?
No. I'll give them a nice pot.
Wow, you promise, honey. Just don't remove, don't kill all.
They are dead, honey. Here.
These are not dead, honey. It's just because it's spring. They will just grow.
They will grow, honey.
I'm gonna be, oh my gosh.
What do you think? They will grow fast.
You see that? You're supposed to leave that one, yung isang ganon, para at least man lang adati ko na
They
ditamo.
will grow fast, honey. This one. Ang mga masida, kita magadubunga da, dimot nga nakan.
Haan nga di bunga dari pero nagadumot ti bulong nakot na si dam.
Ito mo, gusto ko ta, madaro ti bulong na. Madaro ti tubo. What do you think?
Well, just promise don't remove them. That's all. Then we don't have for vegetable for this summer.
We have lots, honey.
No, I don't think so.
This one, because it's style na nato, ikatam tang bumaro.
But that's like a big prune. If you do the pruning, that's not how you prune. Huh?
They will, honey, they will. These are wild. You can grow everywhere.
I don't know. My husband is his own way. This is my goji berries. I make a lot of videos about that. And if you see goji berries, you can make it for a tea or soup, for Chinese people. And my husband want to remove all my goji berries here.
No.
Huh?
Pinagarot talikod.
Well, yeah, but just please don't kill that other first,
What do you think?
Because it look like my plants here. Yeah, that's the reason why we put this fence about 6 years ago. It's because I run my day home and for the safety for the kids, right? Like if you run your day home here in Canada, it's either private or government. Safety is very important when you run your day home or daycare here in Canada. My husband decided just remove them. Why you ask me? You can make a step over here. Huh? Well, you're the one who gonna think. You're the one who making it. And you even kill all my goji berries. Look at that. You kill all my goji berries. Just make your backyard beautiful and that's all. And don't kill all my goji berries, please. I'm begging you. Goji berries, they are my fruits. They are our vegetables. Remember?
Yeah.
You eat them a lot.
Yeah, why not?
And then you kill them all.
No, I don't kill them, honey. I'll preserve them.
It's hard to plant, I swear. It's not easy to plant. I plant in the front yard and it didn't grow. I swear.
Yeah, I'll make them happy
Plants.
plants.
Oh, it's up to you, honey. Kas laata lang mo ti plants tayo kuma, ikatimot amin. Kas ano ngay atan?
Well, honey.
Please. Just only one, yung pinakadulo.
Well, honey.
If you remove everything and nothing.
How about if you pick up the garbage?
Wow, I'm just I don't want to. Do you need help? Why don't you call kuya? Huh? Masugat.
When I was a kid, like that, I helped out.
Well, yeah, in Philippines you help. I told you, call your son to help. That's how they learn too.
Hindi tanong, ibang matumulong, di mo na. Nakuha na yung saka na nagdagot, so rumor pa lang.
What did he hurt himself? Huh?
Yung naligos na yung saka na kagsang-sangit tayo dito. Rumor na pa lang, naligos yung saka na.
Well, that's why you have to make him more work. That's what they know, huh?
Naligos na yung saka na. Naligos ka lang.
We have a mess here, backyard. Messy backyard, huh?
Career na happy nga, nadalos siya.
Well, I'm happy nga you cleaning up the backyard, but that's not how you almost
I'm doing. He will be happy. Kaya lang di backyard ato ikaw, block.
No, I'm not going to.
You throw.
Not to
Go,
say,
go.
please. To say, please.
Put this on the black garbage.
Daddy.
Your mama and papa is here, so I give them the backyard to play.
I know. That's their happiness when they are here. Look at that. These are all goji berries, guys. My husband killed them. And paisa. Siyang okay nasa mo. Bastos ka.
Labasit nga. Ganun na.
Oh, siyang inas.
Labasit nga talon na. Labasit nga ruot na niya pa din ruot mo.
Bastos ka lang tamo to siyang inas mo.
Nagado ka. Ano na?
Gosh, what you guys doing here? Huh?
What's that?
What?
No.
What is that, Maya?
They want water. What? She's making a lake. Oh, thanks. I need water.
Oh boy. Okay, whatever.
I need that.
My husband bought this one. Canadian Tire, Daddy, or Home Depot?
Home Depot.
Ha? Nahamo nga natadom ni. Kaya kasta ti ko abuning ti pugaw. Okay, as you promise, honey. As long as you promise, make it beautiful then. Like what? Slow down kayo, kuya, ah. That must be fun, kuya. Huh?
It is, but too bad. I cannot do it.
What?
Sit in there.
Yeah? Whatever my husband doing, he's happy. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I feel cold. Anyway, I just leave him alone.